VMI's Chrysler Pacifica with Northstar Access360 conversion combines technology and functionality to offer the mobility industry's most stylish wheelchair van with the most interior space. The converted Chrysler Pacifica is designed with features unique to VMI, including Power Neo suspension-lowering technology, VMI Q electronic control system, and 7 inches of additional rear legroom. Interchangeable front seats allow wheelchair users to change from driver to passenger simply by moving the position of the OEM seat. The Access360 design enables wheelchair users to easily move about inside the vehicle, even completing a 360-degree turn without bumping into obstacles. VMI's patented Northstar in-floor ramp system allows unobstructed entry and exit for other passengers when the ramp is not needed. This vehicle also has extra headroom for taller passengers and for those in larger power chairs, while maintaining high ground clearance to provide a comfortable ride. The VMI Pacifica Northstar combines factory-quality style, fit, and finish, along with many of the safety features engineered by Chrysler to provide a best-in-class wheelchair minivan designed for maximum accessibility, independence, convenience, and comfort. For more information about VMI's Northstar Access360 conversion, contact a VMI customer advocate today.